I'm here with Manish Sharma from Honeywell. Man, thanks for taking a few minutes to talk with us.
Thank you very much, Eric. Appreciate that you're talking to me.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, listen, you talk to a lot of customers. You guys, Honeywell, obviously at the forefront of building automation controls and smart buildings. You know, what's the biggest problem most people are having right now regarding smart buildings and all these different systems?
Yeah, that's a great question. I think if you look at the current biggest problem, what this industry is facing about is there are multiple systems or subsystems inside the building, and they are all operating in the siloed. They're not connected, first of all, together, and they're not connected as a whole solution where you can get the outcome. So that's one of the biggest problems which we are observing, and it creates a trouble of your achieving your sustainability goal. It creates a trouble of managing your assets effectively and asset life management, energy efficiency, giving the best experience to your occupant and giving the best outcome to your facility managers and everybody. So this is a big problem what we are facing right now.
No, I think you're right. And of course, now that people are so concerned with data and cybersecurity and all the things, like you say, the disparate systems you're trying to bring together, it's kind of difficult. But you guys kind of have a bit of a solution for that, don't you?
Absolutely. And here comes the key solution what we have. We have come out with very innovative approach of smart building platform. And what it does basically, it provides you all the different disparate systems to come together and focus on more outcome rather than focusing on more individual systems, subsystems and application, because those are continue to evolve, continue to build, continue to get innovate. But at the end of the day, you are looking at the outcomes, and Forge for Building is providing that complete 6 outcome which we have come across: sustainability, occupant experience, operational efficiency, compliance management, safety and security, resiliency.
Well, that's a lot. You bring a lot together underneath this thing, so it's really, really cool. So walk us through sort of the process of, if you're an owner and you want to get involved, sort of walk them through the process of how they get involved with Honeywell and Honeywell Forge.
Yeah, what we do is we typically start with the engagement with the customer, because Honeywell provides the complete solution, not only at the on-premise or not only providing the sensor or the data. We are the control system company. We provide controls for your building, and we start engaging to say that, okay, how do we have the control system to deploy your location? From there, we collect the data and bring that control system at the enterprise level, because customers are facing problem at the larger enterprise level. And that enterprise level solution which we have at Forge for Building at the cloud level, where you look at all the data coming from all the different customer location and site, and focus on really customers' KPI. And their KPIs could be kind of driven through those outcomes, what I talked about, the 6 outcomes. And we pick up 1 or 2 or 3 or few of them for delivering the application, and which is utilizing AI and machine learning algorithm to continuous autonomous mode running and optimizing your building for giving higher efficiency, higher asset life, much better experience to your occupant and your visitors and your employees.
Oh, it's really cool. And I think the great thing about Honeywell too is, first of all, you guys have been doing this forever, right? And for customers out there, you got kind of several different ways you can get it. You got the Honeywell branch, if you want to go that route. You have some of the best distributors and systems integrators on the planet. So if you got somebody local you want to work with, you got choices, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think Honeywell has a very differentiated business model, very differentiated go-to-market strategy. We have our channel partner, we have our distributors, we have system integrator all over the world. I mean, we can tell you that we have more than 5,000 system integrator distributors all over the world. Also, we have some of the direct approaching to the customer, where we look at that building owner and provide that large customer site end-to-end solution and services. So you can think of our network around the world through the service tech, through distributor, through channel is absolutely phenomenal, and that's one of the key differentiator we're bringing.
Awesome. Well, final question. So what do you love about the controls business?
I love controls business because this is something which touches the people, which helps for our society, which really creates the value to our people and society and world and all over the place. I think this is where it touches me a lot, because we can make the difference. We can make the world more safer, secure, comfort, and also sustainable.
Well, it's fantastic. And of course, obviously with ESG, you guys are able to get the data out to help with ESG reporting and sustainability and all those things, right?
Absolutely. ESG is one of the important goal. It's not that we only drive ESG along with customer. We drive ESG within the organization very well. We are the role model within our organization to drive ESG goal, which we started when sustainability goal started in 2004, where sustainability was not talked very openly. And that's where our journey started. And we have saved almost like 90% of our carbon emission has been reduced on the basis of 2004. So absolutely, ESG is a critical element for us, and that's something which we do in ourselves, and we work with our customer to define and drive ESG in their locations.
Very, very cool. And I guess Honeywell.com to get more information?
Absolutely. Log into Honeywell.com, Forge for Buildings. That's the future.
All right, there's the future. All right, as I like to say, up high.
Up high.
All right. Fist bump. Go boom.
Boom.
No, hang on. Boom. There we go. Awesome.